Hi guys, my name is Dan Stewart, and I'm here to show you my app, CDL Prep App Brake Test Simulator. This app is designed to simulate the inside of a truck and to help students practice their brake test no matter what state you're from. And if there is something missing that your state needs that isn't on this app, then I can add it for you. So I'll give you a quick rundown of the features of this app. We have chocks. You can open and close the door. You can enter and exit the vehicle. You can insert the key. You can go ahead. There's ABS lights that turn on and off. You can turn the battery on here. You can turn the engine on. We can release the parking brakes. We have a governor that cuts in at 100 psi. You can fuel the air pressure gauges to make them go faster. There is a full tank max pressure for the tanks, and we can also pump the brakes down. We have a low air alarm that will come up, and we also have emergency spring brakes. You can shift into first and get the vehicle moving. You can test the trolley brake or the tractor brake, and you can also check the regular service brakes. There's also a gauge game for students to practice reading their gauges, and you can also use their settings so you can select what type of gauge you want. This one goes by 25s, this one goes by 10s, and the one I like is the one that goes by 15s. So that's pretty much it. If there's also a working stopwatch for air loss rate tests or anytime you might need a stopwatch. And that's about it, guys. Let me know if there's anything you want added to this app, and I appreciate you watching this video. Have a good one.